Exploring the deep is tremendously testing. An obvious fact, but one you probably haven't seriously thought about. Part of the reason why it's taken us so long to explore is because only recently have we created new generations of incredibly sophisticated underwater vehicles that are able to venture so deep. Some of the many submersibles we've created are still often defeated by the water's crippling pressure, as even the most advanced research vehicle in operation in 2014 imploded whilst in operation. At the time it was crushed under 10,000 meters of water, scientists estimated that there was about 16,000 pounds per square inch of pressure on the craft. To prevent crafts from imploding, submersibles must be internally pressurized to equal the pressure exerted from the outside. So it's fair to say that these machines are pretty amazingly engineered. Over 500 people have been into space, whereas only 3 people have ever ventured over 1,000 fathoms into the depths of our oceans. The first 2 people to venture this deep really outdid themselves and descended to the bottom of the deepest known part of the Earth's seabed in 1960. They descended into what's known as the Challenger's Deep, which is a relatively small slot-shaped depression in the Pacific Ocean that resides in the already unusually deep Mariana Trench. The third person to venture into the deep sea went there in 2012 and first showed enthusiasm for the deep by directing and producing movies including The Abyss and Titanic. James Cameron, unsatisfied with the lack of deep sea exploration, spent a reported $10 million to fund the construction of his deep sea Challenger vessel. He descended to over 11 kilometers where he spent 3 hours collecting scientific data, specimens and visions unthinkable in 1960. That means on top of the 240,000 marine species already recorded, roughly 4 new species are found daily, which is astonishing considering that over a decade ago, many scientists assumed this to be the upper limit. Revised estimates based on the current rate of discovery suggest that we only currently know about a quarter of ocean species in existence, although many scientists think we know even less than this.